Hbar at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback, and that was after an aggressive bounce back over here into the highs we made above the 0.22 after the Hbar ETF announcement. And you can see that at the time of this recording we continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.146 and the 0.215, which is that yellow target area. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we need to continue holding within this area in the next coming weeks and the key scenarios that can unfold on holding within that Fibonacci key area of support. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 21st of October, that is on the 21st of June, we saw this aggressive bounce to the upside where we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave above the 0.305 USDT mark. Then we started a bit of a slight pullback to the downside in the formation of a second wave, and the minimum target areas for that wave 2 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1 all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that first wave. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to is between the Fib level 0.5 all the way to the Fib level 0.88, an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is in for that second wave and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this wave 3. And for this third wave to play out, we need to see Hbar holding within this support box over here, and that means we need to continue holding above the 0.14682. And as long as we continue holding within that area, then we can expect our bounce in the formation of this third wave, which will be confirmed the moment we get a substantial break above the high we made in the formation of that first wave above the 0.305 USDT mark. And once we start breaking above those significant highs, then I will be able to give you the minimum target areas for these wave 3, which can easily get us back above the 0.4 USDT mark. But if by any chance we continue seeing more chop on the crypto market, and more so maybe we continue seeing further breakdown moves on the BTC chart, then I expect that Hbar is going to be affected negatively, where we can continue expecting lower prices, maybe to fill in, maybe to fully maximize these yellow target area before we can attempt another bounce back. But the moment we lose the 0.14682, then I will expect the worst case scenario, which is to fill in this week that we left on the 10th of October after the massive liquidation event. And remember, the moment we start to fill in that week, then we will be getting a reset of significant lows, the lows we made in June 2022, then April 7th, and the moment we also lose that significant low that we made on the 10th of October, we can easily get a reset of the lows we made in November 2024 in the next coming weeks. So those are the worst case scenarios that can play out if by any chance we continue losing significant key areas of support in the next coming days. And that is the price action that I expect here on the Hbar chart on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.